Welcome back in biology class. Student, we had discussed the Mendel's experiment and both monohybrid as well as dihybrid crops. We know inherited traits are those traits which will be transferred from parent to offspring. Now question arises how these traits get transferred and how they expressed. So our topic is how do inherited traits get expressed. As we know, all the organisms have genes which are responsible for the transmission of traits from parent to offspring. Means genes are responsible for the transmission of character from parent to offspring. And genes work in pair. Genes work in pair and genes are present on the chromosomes. See here, this is a chromosome and on this chromosome genes are present like capital T, small t. And for every character there is two type of gene. One is a dominant gene, other one is a recessive gene. Student, dominant gene are those genes which can express their expression and recessive genes are those genes which cannot be expressed in the presence of that dominant gene. Now question is how these genes get expressed. See here, this is a cell and in the nucleus of this cell have chromosome. Nucleus of this cell have chromosome. On this chromosome genes are present. There is a genes are present. During the sexual reproduction this cell divided and form the gametes. During the sexual reproduction cell will be divided and form the gametes. If it is a male cell, it forms the male gamete. Male gametes and these chromosomes get divided. One chromosome goes there, other chromosome goes there because the division in the sex cell, that is the reductional division, so that chromosome will be divided. And if it is a female cell, that also have a chromosome and genes are also present on that chromosome. This cell also divides during gamete formations and these chromosomes also divide. These chromosomes also divide here and the gene, one gene come here, other one come here. This is known as a female gametes. Female gametes. Now what happens? When these male and female gametes fuse with each other, male and female gametes fuse with each other, that will be form the zygote, that is the cell for the progeny, and that have a pair of chromosome, one from the father and other from the mother. In this way, gene can expressed. We can say how do inherited traits get expressed. Let's understand this by taking the example of blood group. Student, blood group are four types: blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, blood group O. Blood group is controlled by gene I. Blood group is controlled by gene I. There is a four type of phenotype of blood group in the population: blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, blood group O. Blood group A is controlled by two genotypes: IA, 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 IO. And blood group B is also controlled by two genotypes. That is IB, 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 IO. Blood group AB is controlled by only one genotype. IA, IB. Blood group O is controlled by one genotype. That is IO, IO. Let's understand how these blood groups get inherited or expressed. Let's take the example for inheritance. If a father have blood group AB, father have blood group AB and mother have blood group O. Mother have blood group O. These are the phenotype. This is the phenotype for father. This is the phenotype for mother. Let's write the genotype. The genotype for AB is IA, IB. Genotype for mother is IO, IO. Let's form a gamete. If form a gamete, that is IA and IB. Gamete of a mother is IO and IO. Let's write the gametes of father here and form a checkerboard. Like this. This is the gametes of father, and let's write the gametes of mother here. That is IO and IO. If this gamete is fused with this, it forms IO, IA. We can write IA, A is the dominant, and IO like this. If this gamete is fused with this, it forms the IB, IO. If this gamete is fused with this, it forms the IA, IO. If this gamete is fused with this, IB, IO. Let's see the result. This offspring have blood group A. This offspring also have a blood group A. This offspring have blood group B. And this offspring have blood group B. Now, there is a chance of 50% chance of a blood group of offspring is 50% offspring with blood group A and 50% chance of a offspring with blood group B. So, in this way, inherited trait get expressed. Next one is the sex determination. Student, what is sex determination? Establishment of male and female individual through differential development of their sex organ is called sex determination. Student, we know there is a 46 chromosome, 46 number of chromosome in human beings, and out of 46, 44 are the autosomes and one pair means 2 chromosomes are the sex chromosome. These 46 chromosomes occur in pair. We can see 23 pair. and autosomes are the 22 pair and sex chromosome is the 1 pair. 44 chromosomes are same in all male as well as in female. But this one pair of chromosome is different. That is XX for female and XY for male. Let's see how sex is determined. See here, these are the parents. These are the parents. Parents with 44 plus XY, that is a male, cross with a 44 plus XX, that is female. They form the gametes. They form the gametes. They form the two gametes. 22 plus X, this is the one gamete, and 22 plus Y, this is the second male gamete. These are the two male gametes. One here and other one is here. See here, in case of a female, female also form two type of gametes. Two gametes, that is a 22 plus X and 22 plus X. These are the female gametes. Now the offspring. Offspring. See here how the sex of offspring get determined. Here we write the gametes of male 22 plus X and 22 plus Y. I draw a line here and write this. I make a chopper mode here. In this side, I write the female gamete downward. These are the male gamete in this way, and I write the female gamete downward. 22 plus X and 22 plus X. See here, if this gamete is fused with this, that form the 44 plus X and X. If this gamete fused with this, that form 44 plus XY. Same way, if this gamete is fused with this, that form 44 plus XX. If this gamete is fused with this, that will be formed 44 plus XY. See the possibility. There is a 50% chance for a girl baby and 50% chance for a boy baby. Chance is sex determination. After the sex determination, there is a 50% for girl child, girl, and 50% for boys. This is a sex determination. One more thing, student. In case of female, there is a same type of gamete, X and X. Female can pass the same gamete in case of a boy, in case of a girl. That will be passed, female pass the same gamete in case of a girl and in case of a boy. So, father is responsible for the offspring will be boy or a girl, not mother. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.